Welcome to resort-style living in this Padgett Rebuilt home. The incredible grounds are oriented for tremendous privacy. Let's head inside this state-of-the-art smart home. The handsome study has cherry wainscoting, custom built-in cabinets, a wet bar, and a fireplace. Prepare your meals in style in this wonderful gourmet kitchen highlighted by a large center island and stunning cabinetry. The Grand Master Suite is a peaceful retreat with a spa-like master bath featuring a steam shower and a huge jacuzzi tub with an incredible view. There are so many amenities to relax and enjoy with family and friends. The 1600 bottle wine room is sure to impress. There's an exercise room and also a billiard area. This home has it all, from a great location to a fantastic layout. There's nothing that can match the amenities and features of this home. Call today for more info and to schedule your private tour.